In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your installed apps on HubSpot for the year 2025. This is an essential skill for anyone who regularly uses HubSpot and wants to ensure all integrations and apps are operating smoothly and as expected. Maybe you're troubleshooting an issue, or perhaps you're just curious about your current app library. Either way, this guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the user guide on HubSpot. If you're logged in already, this should be relatively straightforward. Simply navigate to your HubSpot home. Once you've done that, you'll need to locate your user guide. This usually acts as the main hub for all your settings and preferences. If you are ever confused about where exactly to find this, a helpful tip is to use the search bar at the top of your HubSpot interface. Just type in user guide and you should see it pop right up. After you have accessed your user guide, the next step is to click on Settings. This section is the gateway to tweaking how everything works within your HubSpot account. It's where you have the ability to modify your preferences and, most importantly for today's task, check on your integrations and apps. So, go ahead and click that Settings button once you're in your user guide. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the option that says Integrations. This is where HubSpot keeps all related tools, apps, and add-ons neatly organized. Think of integrations as bridges between your HubSpot environment and any external platforms you're using, like email services, CRM tools, and more. By clicking on Integrations, you open the door to managing these important connections. Our last step for today is clicking on Connected Apps. This will provide a list of all the applications currently integrated with your HubSpot account. Here you can verify if the necessary apps are installed and connected properly. If there's something you don't recognize, it might be worth investigating further. Sometimes you might find apps you no longer need, giving you an opportunity to streamline your processes by disconnecting them. On the flip side, if you come across an app you forgot about and it's something that could benefit your workflow, you might want to ensure it's correctly configured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily check and manage your installed apps within HubSpot. Keeping tabs on your app integrations is a great way to ensure that everything is working harmoniously and to its full potential. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video.